Oh guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get your Shopify authentication code. So here we are in Shopify Help Center, and to retrieve you must save your recovery codes, because in two-factor authentication of Shopify there's going to be a method where you have your recovery codes. So the steps for this is you must go to your Shopify admin, as you can see here in Shopify Health Center, and then click Manage Account, Security, and then in the two-step authentication section, you must save your recovery codes. So you press the View Codes button. From there, it will give you 10 recovery codes that you have previously done. You can click Generate New Codes, and it will generate it on screen. Then you can copy this and write it down. You can also print it. You can also have it as a txt file. So this is how you get it basically. So this will be used when you are logging in a different device, or just logging in general, because that is how the two-factor authentication codes set up in Shopify. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.